Hey teachers, I hope you're hanging in there. This is Missy Feller, English teacher and e-learning legacy coach, to show you an overview of the homepage and its features in Google Classroom. This demo will be from the teacher's perspective. In this video, we're going to explore the main menu, look at class options, and view where to create or join classes. Let's get started. So when I first log into Google Classroom, I'll see all of my different classes tiled right here on this page. Even if you have no classes yet, I'm going to show you at the end how to create them. We're going to focus on three areas today. It's triple underline or main menu, the three dots, and the plus sign. We're going to start off with the main menu. Whether you're on the Google Classroom homepage or in a class, you'll always find this menu in the top corner. In this menu, you can access the calendar. The calendar will show you all of the important dates related to each of your classes. The To Review page will show you a list of every assignment for each of your classes, as well as how many assignments have been turned in and how many still need to be graded. Under my list of classes, I see my archived classes and settings. We're going to take a look at archived classes here in a bit, but now we're going to look at settings. On the settings page, I see where I can change my profile picture and change my email notifications. There are a lot of different settings that you can change with regard to notifications, and you'll have to decide what works best for you. You'll be able to change the notification settings for the classes you're enrolled in and the classes you teach, but all of these changes will apply to each of your classes. Returning to the Google Classroom homepage, we're going to now look at individual class options. This arrow opens your gradebook, showing all of your assignments and all of the student scores. This folder icon contains all of the files associated with this class, including any attachments or forms or Google Docs or Google Slides. When you click on the three dots, you'll see four options pop up: Move, Edit, Copy, and Archive. When you select Move, you can select the position of your class, to the beginning, to the end, or somewhere in the middle. You can also simply click and drag the class tile into the desired position. To change the course name, section, subject, or room, select Edit from the course menu. There is also an option in the course menu to copy an entire course. While this feature does create duplicate copies of every single item from your class in draft mode to another class, it also creates duplicate copies of files in your drive, so just use this feature with caution. I can archive old classes or classes that I'm not currently using with this button at the end. Archiving a class is not the same as deleting it, but I won't be able to update this class until I restore it from the archive. Since these three classes are from last year, I'm going to go ahead and archive them now. I can view my archived classes from the main menu. This is where I can store old classes or classes that I am not currently using. The triple dots give me some new options, including the option to delete a course. This is non-reversible, so use this feature carefully. The posts and comments will be deleted, but the class files will remain in your Google Drive. If you need to restore one of your classes that you've archived, select that from the triple dot menu. Returning to the main menu, we're going to look at one last feature, the plus sign in the top right corner. This is where you can join a class using a class code or create a new class. Be sure to check out my other student and teacher tutorial videos about Google Classroom and Google Drive on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what tutorials you'd like to see to help your students succeed. Even if no one else tells you today, you're doing great, teacher. Thanks for all you do.